Hi there, welcome back to the channel. It's a Saturday and I am going to the beach. The place we are going to is called Tajpur. It's 185 kilometers from my place and currently it is a site for development of a deep sea port in the eastern part of India. I started the journey at 6 a.m. in the morning and it was fairly a nice weather and I saw lots and lots of biker en route. And there is something about open roads. It fills my mind with peace. It's almost like a almost like meditation, like music in my mind. I feel I can travel anywhere. I feel free. Do you feel the same? And soon the weather changed. All of a sudden, I was surrounded by dark clouds. It was going to rain, and it was going to rain hard. But hey, what's monsoon without rain? Nature, it's beautiful, but if you don't respect it, it can be furious as well. And then there's buses blocking roads. I don't know why they do that. The sky in the horizon was getting darker. Indians and monsoon. For us, it's not just a season, it also brings joy, emotions, and sometimes childhood memories. But right now, I was worried about the road condition. And it started drizzling, so I had to stop and put on the rain liner. And I swifted forward towards our destination. The rain made the driving a bit tricky, but it also cooled down the weather. And I think any biker will take a cool day over sunny day in the month of July. And I am again stuck behind a bus. Huh. And finally, I was near the sea, and there were a few goats relaxing and chilling. They were like, "Welcome, dude." And then I moved on to the real destination, Tajpur. The roads were not good, but the Honda handled it perfectly. It was almost riding an adventure bike. Anyhow, I messed up the recording, so a lot of it was captured blurry. Finally, I was there. Do leave a like, subscribe, and if possible, share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and remember, it's the journey which is important, not the destination.